Mondulkiri is one of Cambodia's most special provinces because of its mountains, forests, waterfalls, and unique traditions. Located in the northeast, it is the most mountainous region in the country. The cool weather and fresh air make it very different from other parts of Cambodia. One of the most famous places in Mondulkiri is Bu Sra Waterfall, known for its powerful water and beautiful natural surroundings. Visitors can also explore forests filled with tall trees, wild animals, and hiking trails. Mondulkiri is also home to elephants, and many centers now take care of rescued elephants in safe and natural environments. What makes Mondulkiri even more special is the indigenous group called the Bunong people. They have their own language, traditions, music, and beliefs. Many Bunong families live in small villages and continue traditional practices such as raising animals, weaving baskets, and protecting the forest. Food in Mondulkiri is simple and local, often including forest vegetables, rice, and grilled meats. The people are gentle and welcoming, and they enjoy sharing their culture with visitors. Mondulkiri is a place of natural beauty and cultural richness, showing the deep connection between people and nature.